Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to talk to you about one of the common technique that you guys can use to improve your English communication skill. I am going to talk to you about the shadowing technique. So in this video I will tell you what is meant by shadowing technique, why this shadowing technique is more effective than just reading and listening, how to do the shadowing, and what are the things that we should avoid while doing the shadowing technique. All we are going to see in this video. So make sure that you guys are watching this video till the end, because this is going to be very important video to all of you if you are learning to improve your English communication skill. If you want to speak fluent one day, then make sure that you guys are watching this video till the end. And if you have watched the video till the end, then please do let me in the comment section, so I will get to know who has watched this video till the end. Now without any further delay, let's start the today's video. Now the today's topic is what is meant by shadowing technique. I will just quickly tell you what is mean by shadowing. It is simply means listening someone speaking in English and repeating immediately what you hear, word for word, sentence for sentence, emotions for emotion, rhythm for rhythm. As it is, we are going to repeat what we hear. That is nothing but the shadowing technique. It means how the shadow follow the people, our voice is following the person. It is just like that only. And why this technique is more powerful or more effective than reading and speaking, because when we read and listen, we are just consuming the knowledge. It is an input parameter. We are not going to produce anything. And when you do the shadowing activity, that means you are not just waiting for perfection, but you are trying to speak along with listening. And when you do this activity, your brain gets involved into it, your mouth, your tongue gets involved into this activity. And when your body gets involved, it is a kind of active activity that helps us more than just passively listening or reading the books. So that is why most of the people prefer to do this activity when it comes to speaking English. But initially what happened, guys, when we first time do this activity, we feel like boring, or we may get frustrated because we don't have habit of watching someone speaking in English and repeating them. We feel like this is a childish behavior and we should not do this. But trust me, this is the activity that everyone do. Even most of the people who face the camera, they do this activity. And when they do this activity, they get a kind of confidence that we can perform better. And if you want to perform better in your English journey, then you must try this. And definitely, because many people do this activity, and it has many advantages. When you do the shadowing technique, when you follow the shadowing technique, it not only help you to get better at your speaking, but help you to improve your confidence. It train your brain to think directly in English, because you are listening to the people and immediately reacting. So that activity help us to think directly in English without translating into our mother tongue and then from mother tongue to English. When we do that, it takes more time, and when we take more times just to think in English, we don't want to speak anymore. The shadowing is the best technique to get rid from thinking in your native language and then translate into the English. So that is why you should do the shadowing technique. Now I will tell you how to do the shadowing technique, or how to do the shadow. What you guys have to do, you have to pick up a simple video. It could be any video available on the YouTube. You just have to go and search the video that you can understand or that can be interested to you. The length should be 5 to 10 minutes, not more like 1 hour or half an hour video. You have to select the video of 5 to 10 minutes. Now what you have to do while doing this activity, you have to play your video. When you play the video, after the one sentence or two sentence, you have to take a pause. When you take a pause, you have to repeat immediately what speaker said. And while repeating, you don't have to just repeat as if you are reading, or as if you are just listening. Whatever character in that video is going to say, you have to repeat as it is. Means if it is you have to involve emotions while speaking, you have to involve rhythm, speed, everything you have to carry. You don't just have to say the word, you have to say with the emotions, with the rhythm, with the speed, as it is you have to copy. And when you do this activity, you will get to know how to express ourselves in different situations, and your mouth muscle, your tongue will get the practice. That is the real life practice. And when we involve ourselves into this practice, we can become familiar with the English words, English phrases, and that can help us to get better. Now this is the so this way you have to do this activity. And when you finish the first sentence, then again you have to play the button, then you have to listen to the next sentence, and then again you have to take a pause and you have to repeat what you heard. So by doing this, you have to finish the video of 5 minutes. So it may take to finish the video of 5 minutes, it may take 10 minutes or 15 minutes. That is okay. We don't want to finish the video as quickly as possible, and we don't want to just run behind the syllabus. We don't have to give any exam. So what is hurry in that? You can take your time. You have to spend as more time as you can just to learn from that one video. It is not, and if it is, it will be good if you are repeating the same activity for 2 times, 3 times, 5 times. If you are listening the same video and you are shouting the same video for 2 times, 3 times, 5 times, it will be more useful than doing the shadowing technique for multiple videos. Select the one video, do the shadow technique for more time, and that can help you guys, because the repeatedly you listen something again and again, your brain start capturing the things very quickly, and you will get to learn many things from that one video. Okay, so this is shadowing technique. It will definitely help you. So one thing I would like to tell you, what you should avoid while doing the shadowing technique. You don't have to select the video which you don't understand. Means you don't have to see the video that is very difficult to understand. Select something that you can understand, so that it will be easy for you to do this activity. So that is what actually I wanted to tell you. And please do let me know in the comment section after watching this video which video you are going to shadow today, and also do tell me whether you like this activity or not. If you like, then please do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, family member, whoever wants to improve their communication skill, guys. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. And also please subscribe, guys. You are not subscribing to my channel. I urge you to subscribe my channel, because if you do subscribe, then it will help me to make more videos. I will be motivated to make a more video to all of you guys. So thanks you. That's it for